Artificial intelligence has redefined design, making it possible to achieve remarkable results with efficiency. These AI-powered plugins not only streamline your workflow and boost productivity, but also revolutionize the design process, allowing you to create exceptional digital experiences swiftly and effortlessly. Figma provides a range of AI plugins, available through the Figma community, each designed to create content and enhance design elements with specialized features that improve your workflow. Whether you are an experienced designer or just beginning, here's a selection of plugins designed to immediately elevate the quality of your projects. Let's begin with AI Text Generator provided by Design Plus Code, a super handy Figma plugin made for designers who want to rewrite their text in a couple of clicks. It uses OpenAI GPT-4 to give you smart, creative text suggestions. Think names, titles, or even lorem ipsum dummy text, right where you need them. It automatically detects the selected text's length and generates the perfect amount of words for your alternatives. You can also add custom prompts, which is useful for more control. Generate any type of text, in different languages and amount of words. Mousho quickly transforms your prompts into nearly complete, development-ready websites with simple layouts, compelling copy, and stunning images. This platform streamlines the creation of landing pages from brief prompts and enhances your projects with features like text and image regeneration, color variable storage, and a history log of your designs. Powered by ChatGPT-4 and integrated with DALL-3 and Stable Diffusion, Mousho provides rich, AI-generated imagery, including exclusive access to Midjourney's curated images. Wireframe Designer input your vision and create with a click, generating wireframe mockups for both desktop and mobile platforms. This tool features a wide selection of flexible, carefully curated components that adapt to your specific design needs, enhancing possibilities. From Icon 8, we have this background remover from one or multiple images simultaneously with the original image size and quality, completely free. There are no limits on the number of images, no subscription or registration required, and no API key needed. Discover the ease of creating unique AI images directly in Figma with this user-friendly text-to-image plugin. Suitable for both seasoned AI users and newcomers, this tool allows you to simply choose a style and craft images with a prompt. It's entirely free, offering up to 64 AI images daily across 16 generations of 4 images each. Additionally, they have simplified the prompting process by providing suggestions for prompt modifiers that match any style, enabling users to effortlessly design their images without confusion. Rendition is an AI-powered app generator that streamlines the design-to-code process, particularly from Figma to React, making it a pivotal tool for UI development. This free beta software integrates OpenAI and GPT vision technologies to assist designers by automatically generating app designs and providing the corresponding Tailwind code. As a software development AI assistant, Rendition enhances automated design workflows, opening new possibilities for efficient and seamless UI creation. Experience the magic of AI with the Color plugin for Figma, designed to simplify UX/UI workflows. Users simply write a prompt or customize one of the provided examples, select the number of colors, and generate. This plugin harnesses the power of artificial intelligence to effortlessly produce stunning colors, gradients, and shades, empowering users to create visually captivating designs. Explore a growing library of free, AI-generated, high-resolution avatars tailored for your creative projects. These avatars are thoughtfully curated to suit a wide range of design mockups and creative needs, offering a diverse selection to enhance your design aesthetics. Ideal for developers, designers, and content creators, this library provides an invaluable resource for anyone looking to add a touch of realism and personality to their projects without any cost. Kodia AI enhances the process of transforming Figma designs into production-ready code for web and app development by boosting design-to-code efficiency. The tool supports a comprehensive array of web technologies, including HTML, CSS, JavaScript, TypeScript, Tailwind, React, and Vue, and covers a wide range of app development environments such as iOS, Android, Flutter, Swift, SwiftUI, Objective-C, Java, Kotlin, and Jetpack Compose UI, all with continuous updates. Key capabilities include perfect design fidelity, with 100% accuracy in design translation, fully responsive layouts that adapt seamlessly across devices, developer-friendly naming for better code readability, advanced visual analysis through its vision engine, and smart layer recognition for cleaner code output. Wave your magic wand and harness the power of AI to accomplish tasks ranging from copywriting to generating unique icons directly from text descriptions. Cast magic spells that work alongside you, enhancing your creativity and imagination throughout the design process. The tool includes a variety of features such as Magic Icon, which transforms text into AI-generated vector icons, Magic Copy, which generates AI-suggested text, and Magic Image, which creates images from text descriptions. Using AI plugins in Figma revolutionizes design workflows by automating tedious tasks, adding creativity, and significantly speeding up the design process. These tools allow designers to focus on innovation and refinement, transforming how ideas are brought to life and ensuring designs are both beautiful and functional. Whether it's generating content, crafting icons, or optimizing layouts, AI plugins in Figma empower designers to achieve more with less effort and greater precision.